Well, hello, Anna.
Hello, Kathy. It's been a long
It's
time.
been a while. We've been hibernating.
We have.
But we're
And
here
I've been
today.
doing a lot of traveling.
Yeah, I haven't, but I've still been having a good time. So welcome to Cooking with Ma'am Talks.
I'm Anna.
I'm Kathy.
And today, somebody actually sent us this. It's called Javi Coffee Concentrate.
Sounds interesting.
It doesn't have carbohydrates. It doesn't have sodium. It doesn't have anything.
Just some caffeine.
I mean, let's try it
I
and
think
see.
we should try it.
So it says 1 teaspoon in a cup of coffee.
And a cup of hot
Hot
water.
water, right, sorry.
I'll help you
Okay,
out
so
here.
here, let me I just heated this water in the microwave.
Okay.
All right, you go first.
I don't
You
think
go
I
first.
don't think it's that warm, is it?
Oh no,
I don't think it's that warm.
you want it to be warmer?
Okay, fine. We'll have medium warm coffee.
I mean, by the time you put it in your mouth, it's not hot. You don't want
It
to
is.
burn
I put
yourself.
mine in the microwave because I like, if I'm going to have something that's supposed to be hot, I want it hot.
You know why we haven't been filming?
Why?
I'm kidding.
Because you've been busy stealing coffee mates?
No!
She put this out because I said we need creamer for our coffee. And she got these little things and I said, oh, did you steal them? Because you know when you go to a restaurant and they put out
I buy them by the box.
But you can take a few from a restaurant when you've had they put coffee, little creamers out, or they put the little jam.
You're going to put it in your purse, and what if it leaks and then you got coffee creamer, and you know that thing is full of sugar.
And
Well, then you're going to have sugar all over your purse. No. Not to mention the
First of
fact
all,
that they're not
we
mine.
didn't think to take this off ahead of time.
Do we need
A knife,
scissors?
please.
A
A
knife,
scissors.
okay.
But okay, this one it has sugar, but it's not like sugar that's granulated. It's going to go all over the place.
It's really
What are you
sticky.
talking about? Oh
It's
my
really
gosh.
sticky.
Okay, but it's all good.
I received a box once, and they come like 90 in a box.
Did you buy a box of them?
Yeah, I buy a box of them.
Wow.
I bought it for years because of my dad. I used to say it was my dad. Now I keep on buying it for me.
Okay,
Okay.
strong like bull.
You go first.
Okay, a teaspoon.
All right.
Okay, here's a. Let me see how thick. It's not that thick.
No?
I thought it would be super thick. Okay, there we go.
All right. Okay.
Now I have to put something in my coffee, but I think for
I'm
the
going to try it black.
yeah, I
first.
think we'll try that. Oh, now it's warm. Now the cup is warm. I think your cups are. She keeps her house like 40 degrees, so I think the cup is like I'm really cold.
Oh, wait. I got to stir it.
Are you at the same time?
Okay.
Now these have to be honest reviews, you know, Anna.
Yeah, mine's not very
Why
dark.
is it? What happened?
Mine is
Did you
really
put
light.
a
A whole
teaspoon?
teaspoon. I'm going to put more.
That's concerning.
Now it's really dark. All right.
Okay.
Cheers.
Whoa, that's strong. But I like it because I like strong.
I like it.
Now,
It's like
don't be insulted.
you had an espresso cup and you put a lot of water in it.
I'm going to add a little bit of this French vanilla.
That's a tablespoon. That's more than the coffee you put in. I measured it.
I don't
Okay,
care
I'm
if it's a
gonna
tablespoon. I probably
I'm
put
just
several
telling
of
you.
these in. These are small little cups. Okay,
So
now.
coffee concentrate, who would have thought? And why not, right?
You know what? It's good.
What?
It really is good. Yeah. Yep. I think you need to get new coffee creamer though.
Mine's fine.
Maybe I didn't stir mine enough. I mean, it tastes fine.
I like it.
Yeah. Okay.
Who would have thought?
And this
You know
we
what?
are not being paid to say this, by the way. This is an
No.
honest review.
I can see this like for baking,
Yeah.
you know, even for cooking. If you want that little flavor of coffee.
Almost like like putting some almond paste or whatever it has.
Yes.
Okay, so here you go.
Javi.
Javi. I'm going to put their website and all their information online. You can check it out. I'm sure they have other ideas of how to use it. But
And I read the tag. It brings 30 servings of 1 teaspoon.
and it's made in Texas.
Texas.
Woo! Go Cowboys! All right. Well, this was fun, and hope you enjoyed it. Hope you missed us. I missed Anna. Did you miss me?
Of course I did.
I'll see. And we're back now, so.
And don't forget to try Jabby. This is so good.
Yeah. Thank you, Jabby, for sending it.
Thank you. We really appreciate it.
Anyway, guys, remember all of our Instagram and our website, Cooking with Mam Talks, right?
Yes.
And our YouTube channel, which is where you should be seeing us now. It's nice to be back.
No,
it's not nice to be back.
No. It's mamtalks.com.
It's still Mam Talks?
It is.
Okay, www.mamtalks.com.
See you there.
And see you there. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.